What is an emergency fund and why most Americans don't have one? Did you know that nearly 4 out of 10 Americans can't cover a $400 emergency expense without borrowing money or selling something? That single statistic explains why unexpected expenses, like car repairs, medical bills, or sudden job loss, can instantly turn into financial stress. In this video, we break down what an emergency fund is, why it's one of the most important foundations of financial stability, and how it can protect you from debt, stress, and financial setbacks. An emergency fund is money set aside specifically for unexpected expenses. It acts as a financial safety net, helping you stay in control when life throws surprises your way. Without one, many people rely on credit cards, loans, or payday lenders, options that often lead to long-term debt and anxiety. We'll also talk about the common challenges people face when building an emergency fund, such as living paycheck to paycheck, rising costs of living, not knowing how much to save, feeling overwhelmed or unsure where to start. You'll learn how to build an emergency fund step by step, including how much money you should aim to save, starting small and building up to 3 to 6 months of expenses, where to keep your emergency fund so it's safe, accessible, and not tempting to spend, simple strategies to grow it consistently, even on a tight budget. We'll also share a real-life example of how having an emergency fund made a critical difference during a financial crisis, showing how preparation can turn a stressful situation into a manageable one. By the end of this video, you'll understand why an emergency fund is essential for financial peace of mind, how it protects you from debt and financial shocks, how to start building one today no matter your income, how to build an emergency fund, simple steps. 1. Start small. Aim for your first $500, $1,000. 2. Set a goal. Build up to 3 to 6 months of expenses. 3. Save automatically. Treat savings like a bill. 4. Keep it accessible. Use a high-yield savings account. 5. Use it only for emergencies. Not wants, only needs. Even small, consistent savings add up over time. We also share a real-life example showing how having an emergency fund made a huge difference during a financial crisis, turning panic into peace of mind. By the end of this video, you'll understand why an emergency fund is essential for financial security, how it protects you from debt and financial shocks, how to start building one today, no matter your income. Comment below. Do you have an emergency fund? How did you start? Check out my other videos on budgeting, saving money, and building financial freedom. Not a financial advice, this is only for educational purposes and awareness. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.